Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Yoome dating app. Let's begin with the tutorial and make sure your internet connection is stable, and if you are an Android user, then open Google Play Store. Tap on Play Store. There, tap on the search bar and type Yoome dating app. Look for the Yoome official dating app by Mobile Trade GmbH GmbH. Tap on the icon and tap on install. Then after, it might vary from your internet speed, so make sure your internet connection is stable so that you can date or chat with a new friend. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more